if you think about what the service providers, especially on the network side of the house, have been working on for a while, right? For the last 30, 40, 50 years, they've been receiving boxes, and those boxes get standardized or certified, and they go and deploy those boxes in their network, right? In this new world, those boxes don't exist. Those boxes are now x86 servers, right? Same kind of servers that you would see in your office. And that means that it's a new kind of skill set that these service providers need. They need to figure out now what those servers would be, what kind of operating system goes on that, what kind of software they're putting in, have a software lifecycle management, all of that thing that they need to think about that they had never had to bother about, right? So it was a black box, and a lot of people now call it a white box because you can actually see inside it. And the problem is the moment you see inside it, now you have to manage it and maintain it. So if you take a step back and think why we are virtualizing. We are virtualizing because of multiple reasons. Number one, the service providers want to get out of this vendor lock because they want a lower cost point. So if they take this purpose-built box and replace with another box, yes, it's an open box, but another box from the same vendor that gives you end-to-end, they didn't solve anything, right? They're still stuck with the vendor providing them with the box and charging them whatever they want. So it doesn't help them from the cost perspective. Second is, as they move into this space, the skill sets that are required for each one of those areas are very different from what the vendors can actually provide. And therefore, they need to work with different society. Third is, the reason why they went into this space was time to market. And again, if they go to a single vendor, they're stuck with the time that the vendor would take to actually provide them with the service, right? And therefore, they don't solve the time to marketplace, right? So yes, if you look at pure virtualization, yes, I can take one box and replace it with another box, and I can say I'm virtualized. Some service providers are trying to do that. Some vendors are also trying to push that. But that doesn't solve the problem statement on why virtualization is there in the first place.